Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the complete process of how to use copy trading on the Weex platform. This tutorial is only meant to show you how the platform works. It is not financial advice. Copy trading involves real risk, so make sure you fully understand it before investing. Now, let's get started. Once you sign into your Weex account, you will see a copy trade button at the top of the dashboard. Click on it to open the copy trading section. Before choosing a trader to copy, take a moment to understand the risks involved, because copy trading can be unpredictable, just like any type of trading. Inside the copy trade section, you'll find a list of traders sorted by filters such as highest P&L in the last 3 weeks, highest ranked traders, and elite traders. Select any trader you want to review. Clicking on one will take you to their detailed page where you can check their P&L history, yield, trade records, and other important performance metrics. If you decide this is a trader you want to copy, you can press the Copy button. After selecting a trader, you'll see several settings you need to configure. You can review the profit share percentage, available trading pairs, and the copy mode, unified or individual. There's also a margin mode option, which involves leverage. If you're not familiar with leverage, you should learn about it first because using it without understanding can lead to significant losses. Next, choose your copy amount, which can be a fixed amount or a fixed ratio. Under the advanced settings, you can set your stop-loss ratio, take-profit ratio, maximum margin, and slippage tolerance. Make sure you understand each of these options before adjusting them. Once you're comfortable with your settings, click Next to move forward. You'll then see a confirmation page where you should review all your selections carefully. When everything looks correct, click Confirm. After confirming, your copy trading setup will be active. And that's all you need to know to start using copy trading on Weex. Remember, take your time to research and understand each option before investing, because nothing is guaranteed and trading always carries risk. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe to the channel and support my work. Thanks for watching.